It may be time for the Easter celebration, but here in the northeast front lines, it's another day for soldiers to strategize, plan and fight in the war against insurgency. We traveled from Maiduguri to Cross Kukawa, one of the latest locations where terrorists suffered defeat when they launched an infiltration in Northern Borno. Here, Nigerian troops fight along with the Chadian soldiers of the Multinational Joint Task Force. The battle in Cross Kukawa was a crucial point in the war against insurgent activities in Northern Borno and the Lake Chad Basin region. If the terrorists could overthrow troops in Cross Kukawa, then it would be easy for them to gain free access into Mungunu and other parts of Borno State. But they met a stiff resistance from Nigerian troops and elements of the Multinational Joint Task Force here in Cross Kukawa. The leftover signs of the fierce battle lingered. Bullet shells on the ground, bullets on walls, burnt buildings, burnt structures all over, and a town emptied of its inhabitants. But the troops remain behind, and from here they will exploit into other areas around the Lake Chad Basin region. The collaboration has increased its successes against terrorist forces.
You discover that Boko-Haram is now lurking mostly around the borders, especially in the dangerous and inaccessible areas of the Tumbus, the islands. And the best way to undo this is to have concentration of forces. So with the Chadians here, with their equipment, with the equipment of Nigerians and the Nigerian army and our soldiers, you can see the tremendous strength in personnel and equipment that is now handling the issue around the Lake Chad Basin here.
Nigerian Army's Chief of Training and Operations, Theatre Commander of Operation Lafia Duli, and the Sector 3 Commander deliberate with the leaders of the Chadian force.
It's not only a job for Nigeria or for Chad.
They have to work out details for further operations within the Lake Chad and Northern Borno region. Back at the Sector 3 headquarters in Mungunu, Major General Lamidi Adeosun addresses Nigerian troops, asking them not to relent in the renewed offensive against the enemy.
Maintain the momentum. We must never, ever allow the reverse to be the case again. Now we are moving, we must continue to move. Now we are pursuing, we must continue to pursue.
The Lake Chad fringes have become the major hotspot for terror activities, with the rise of the ISWAP faction in the region. If Nigerian troops and allied forces defeat the insurgents here, it will be a major milestone in the war against terrorism. Ngosu Uji, AIT News, Cross Kukawa.